programs on. Yeah, 4 flavors, told the 40s and 4 5s, the ones we don't like. Stop pressing they lines. Yeah, she started jockeying cause the way that I roll. She ain't a 10, but she a 8 or a 9. That get punky could've been one of mine. One of the hottest youngest out here with no cosign. Like what it is, bitch, what it do, ho. If she ain't sucking or fucking that she can move on. She's wanna come and chill up in the studio. We ran a choo-choo train cause she ain't new to those. Do my thing and pass to the team, then she get booted on. And while you loving on that bitch, and she a booty call. And yeah, I call her a hoe, you call her beautiful. I be with thugs, you be with nerds in your video. Poking his chest out every time he start rapping. But I'm the one that'll catch him in traffic and do him tragic. Hit a couple races like this gun got magic. I'm the maniac in black, and when I see him attack him. You don't gotta ask about the kid, I'll check up. Check my resume, our body is right there. Hella young, running them up, and real one show love. If they speaking on my name when I see them, they know what's up. Like tell them stop lying. And we the ones who really outside, getting our must look like this program's on. 4 flavors, 4 the 40s and 4 5s, the ones we don't like. Stop pressing they lines. Nigga, she started jockeying cause the way that I roll. She ain't a 10, but she a 8 or a 9. That get punky couldn't be one of mine. One of the hottest youngest out here with no cosign. Ayy, bitch, I hit that road like Jack. Oh, that's your boy, I hit your bro in the back. She wanna face to face, only hit from the back, ayy. She wanna kiss, but I gave rich and bad. The face okay, the only nigga she got ass. She getting on my nerves, but she all about her bag. She setting them up and I ran in with a man. She fell in love with a thug, cause she knowing I'm the man. He get out of line, I'ma put him in place. And do the weeds of the streets, I'm the champ in the heavyweight. Your bitch was a hoe, man, she been blessed days. I was penny of the sandlot, I been well placed. One of the faces of the town, so I show face in the city. Why would I place a group of lanes, man, you gotta be kidding. They don't wanna get at me, they know I'm out way different. I hit the club with a banger and the mob in the building. I tell them stop lying, and we the ones who really outside. Getting our must look like this program's on. Yeah, 4 flavors, 4 the 40s and 4 5s, the ones we don't like. Stop pressing they lines. Nigga, she started jockeying cause the way that I roll. She ain't a 10, but she a 8 or a 9. That get punky couldn't be one of mine. One of the hottest youngest out here with no cosign. And that's how it be. I'm positive. If you like the content, like and subscribe. I'll give you more content.